Hi everyone, again I'm back on stage. But yes, as we close today's event, I really, on behalf of Home Credit, I would really like to extend our sincerest and deepest gratitude to each and every one of you because you have always made the 12 years of our operations here in the Philippines the success that it is. Ito talaga, this is very sincere. Kung wala kayo, wala rin yung paano naman aabot ng aming mga customers. It's because of you guys, how you share our stories, how you're always there to attend our events, how you always help us amplify everything that we do in Home Credit. It's really because of you, and this event is for you, and maraming salamat for all the support every time. So, hindi ko na papahabaan, maraming salamat in behalf of, our Chief Marketing Officer, Sheila Paul, Zinek, and Bonit, and of course our CEO, Mr. Dan Paul. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts. We hope you had fun. We hope you enjoyed, and congratulations, Mr. Justin. Sana you go home and drive your motorcycle. Also, earlier today in our Gashapon, we also had a big winner. Ma'am who won our Samsung S25 Smart Fit. Congratulations. I hope everybody safe drive home. And maraming salamat po muli. Thank you.